Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a double Dior unboxing for you today. I'm very excited to get into all the goodness that is in here. So if you love watching unboxing videos and you want to see what two things are in here, keep watching. We're gonna get straight into it. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Marlene and I'm a former magazine editor turned content creator and YouTuber. If you love everyday outfit ideas, lots of feminine fashion with a side of luxury handbags, then definitely consider subscribing. That's exactly what I share here on this channel. So a few weeks ago, I posted a video with a Dior unboxing with this absolutely gorgeous Dior bag that I was gifted for Christmas as a complete surprise from my husband. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here for you and down below. Spoiler alert, I did some hemming and hawing on whether or not I should keep that bag, and ultimately I did end up deciding to return it. So while I was at Dior, I ended up coming home with something totally unexpected, and I really mean that because I was in the store, I looked at multiple different bags, multiple different things, and just when I was about to leave, I turned the corner and these two things totally caught my eye. Anyways, let's see what is inside. It's like pushing out a little bit because yes, I have opened it already, so I'm gonna just grab this here. So you can probably get a good idea already from the box what is inside, but I will open them for you to show because I'm very excited and really want to start wearing. Sorry, the paper's so loud. So the first thing that I got are the Dior slingback heels. Now, I think that this is just such a beautiful classic heel. I've seen this for a while, to be honest. It was a little bit of an impulse buy. It wasn't like exactly on my list or something I had been shopping for, but when I turned the corner and I saw them, I was like, that's it. That's what I'm getting. I honestly haven't treated myself to a designer shoe in a really long time, and I have been looking a black heel, but I wasn't sure what I wanted. And when I saw these, I was like, yeah, these are definitely the one. I love how classic they are. I love that the subtle detail here on the strap. I definitely think this is an absolutely timeless shoe, and it can be worn so many different ways. Of course, I'll insert some mod shots for you, but I think these are really great to style, like with jeans, with skirts, with dresses. Like there's literally a ton of different ways that you can wear them. I put them on for maybe like 5 minutes to take some photos in a tulle skirt, and they even looked cute with that. So I know that these are gonna be a really versatile shoe to have in my collection. So in case you're also shopping for some Dior slingback shoes, I thought I would give you some sizing notes. As far as like where and how comfortable they are, like I said, I've only worn them for a few minutes. They are pretty comfortable. They're not the most comfortable thing in the world because they are a pointy toe shoe. So I mean, like it is what it is, because kind of how I feel about it. But you know, they are not like Louboutins, which are like murdering your feet basically. I will say that I did size up half a size on this shoe. So when I was trying them on, my essay did tell me that the toe box here will not stretch. Now I've bought Louboutins, like I said, and other shoes that are tight here, and you can actually go get them stretched, or you can buy things to stretch them out. These, because this is like a woven material, it's essentially fabric, they don't have any give, and for this reason she said that she recommends sizing up at least half a size. Now, one thing to take note of, and like when you're trying them on, is that you have to make sure that this on the back isn't going to flop on or off, that it still has like good hold. This is like fabric, but it is leather on the inside. And I'll hold it up closer to you obviously so that you can see. And you know, it kind of just ruins the effect of the shoe if this part is like falling off your ankle. So half a size should be enough. I don't think you should have to go up a full size for them, but if you want a little bit more room in the toe box, definitely consider sizing up. They have a good heel height too. I don't think that it's like a very, I don't know, like an approachable height, you know what I mean? It's not like a kitten heel, but it's not like a kill me now stiletto, I'm gonna fall down. So that's really nice. And then the inside has probably the same amount of cushion that I've seen on just like an average amount of cushion. They're not super cushiony. You can always get inserts if you want. After I wear these, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I will do another video and let you know how I feel about like comfort wise and like wear and tear. I am traveling and I'm planning on taking these with me. So hopefully I'll have like lots of new outfits to share in them, and also be able to tell you how they wear when you're actually wearing them out. So they did come with these little dust bags. I have one here and one here. They are super cute. I'll unfold it for you so that you can put one shoe in each little dust bag. I don't use these on a regular basis. I do keep my shoes out. I always use these for travel though, so I have like an entire stash of dust bags from my purses and my shoes and from wherever, and I keep them in a little cubby in my closet. And whenever I'm going on vacation and I'm packing my shoes, that's when I bust these out to protect them. And because also you don't really want your shoes that you've been wearing out on the street mingling with your clothes, right? Like super gross. So these come definitely in handy for that. Okay, so let's go into the second item. And I really could have left with just the Dior Slingbacks and been more than happy. I mean, I'm not one to go into a store, or especially like Dior, and come out with like multiple things. It was kind of an impulse, but you know what? I returned a bag, so I thought, it's okay, I can get two. So let me grab this inside. The box is opening a little bit already, but I've been really wanting. I have not worn these yet, and you could probably guess that I got another pair of shoes. I can't believe that I went to Dior and I came out with 2 pairs of shoes, but you know what? Like I said, I did return a bag. Any guesses what's inside? All right, let's open them because I haven't really fully opened these. To be honest, I don't think I've seen these since the store. So also we've got the dust bags for them. I'm just gonna put it to the side, toss it nicely. My card. I think I got extra dust bags somehow. All right, well, I have 4 dust bags and 2 pairs of shoes. I don't really know how that happened, but nice surprise, okay. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. I'm glad I actually opened these on camera because I'm like really excited about this. I got the Dior Dway slides, and I mean, they are stunning. Like, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to get the full effect on camera, but they are like absolutely stunning slides. So I have been wanting the Dior Dway slides for a while. These have been on my wish list. I had been looking for the pink and purple ones, but they were difficult to find and they were all over $1,000, so I just never ended up pulling the trigger. When I saw these in real life, I absolutely fell in love with them. They are just absolutely stunning. They are white and gold on the inside, and they just have this absolutely beautiful, like, shimmery detail. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera how beautiful they are in real life. They're like a shimmery this sandal. I'm gonna say it. They like literally look like this slides to me. So I was like, yeah, I have to have them. These are from the 2022 cruise collection. My essay told me that they were very limited edition, and once they are gone, they are gone. And so I just knew I had to have them. Also, I live in Arizona where I can wear slides 7, maybe 8 months out of the year, so I felt like I could justify it, and this color palette, or this colorway in general, just goes really well with the color palettes that I usually wear and that are in my wardrobe, so I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. So as far as sizing notes, I will say that when I was there, there was another girl who said that she owned these slides and that they were very comfortable, which to me is very important. I will make an exception for high heels. If high heels are not like super comfortable, I'll get them anyways, because most of the time when I'm wearing heels, I'm going to a restaurant or I'm sitting down, or I'm gonna be only up for a couple hours, and I'll deal with it if I can. But I will not spend on a slide, a designer slide, or any slide that's not comfortable, because to me that like defeats the purpose of a slide. So about 2 years ago, I bought the Chloe Woody slides, which I loved. I got them through Nordstrom, and I ended up having to return them because they felt like wood. Like the woody just felt like I was walking on 2 pieces of wood. I didn't know if I needed to break them in, but they just didn't. They did not loosen up. I wore them for about 4 days around my house, like literally walking back and forth in my office. I ended up taking them back to Nordstrom. So I was really happy to hear from the other girl that was there that she felt like these were comfortable and that this would give a little bit if needed. So I ended up sizing down half a size on these slides. So I typically take a size 38.5, and these are a 38, whereas with the Slingbacks, I ended up sizing up to a 39 on these. It's interesting that neither one of the shoes I got in my true size, but really what happened was with this slide, the part right here that crosses the front of your feet was a little bit wide and loose on my feet. And the last thing you want with slides is to literally be sliding like in and out, right? So that's why I ended up sizing down, which my essay said was really, really common for this shoe, is to size half a size down on these. So, I mean, I just look, I mean, they look like the bag. It's the same print. I fell in love with the holiday bag too. And when I went in January, like literally the week before the price increase, I was so hoping that I'd get the holiday bag, and I'm glad I did. And yeah, I had to have the shoes that basically match it. So I am also taking these slides on my trip with me. If you would like to see an update on what to wear these with and how they go comfort-wise, let me know in the comments below, and then I can make a video in the future. I hope you enjoyed this double Dior unboxing. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video reviewing how these actually wear and some styling tips once I'm actually wearing them out. And I will see you over in the next video about luxury fashion. Bye.